50 travel phrases in 5 days. Day 1. Greetings and politeness. Start with the basics to set a respectful tone for your interactions. Hello, formal.
Здравствуйте.
Hi, informal.
Привет.
Good morning.
Доброе утро.
Good afternoon.
Добрый день.
Good evening.
Добрый вечер.
Please. You're welcome.
Пожалуйста.
Thank you.
Спасибо.
Excuse me. Sorry.
Извините.
Goodbye, formal.
До свидания.
Bye, informal.
Пока.
Cultural tip. Russian service culture can seem reserved. It is standard to greet staff first when entering a shop or cafe. Now your turn. Say goodbye, formal.
До свидания.
Say bye, informal.
Пока.
Say excuse me. Sorry.
Извините.
Say thank you.
Спасибо.
Please. You're welcome.
Пожалуйста.
Good evening.
Добрый вечер.
Hello, formal.
Здравствуйте.
Hi, informal.
Привет.
Good morning.
Доброе утро.
Sounds exciting? 50 travel phrases in 5 days. Day 2. Coming up shortly.